Oh, good evening, friends. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, Dr. Prakash Chandra Jha. I'm lucky enough today that I have made nearly many a person beyond expectation like that. All of a sudden, I just came across a gentleman, and I think he is the future of India. Presently, India is particularly of this type of white today like that. And so far as we people are concerned, we are thought to be ripened mango. Anytime we can just move quick like that. I simply think so long as my eyes function, my leg is actually healthy, I should do something for the sake of not money but for the sake of the nation like that. अब चलिए मैं आगे बढ़ूँ इसके पहले आपसे परिचय आपका ले लूँ. What is your introduction? आप introduction.
My name is Anshul. I put up in Delhi और I like to engineering background से हूँ तो I like reading about science और उसी में जॉब भी करता हूँ.
ठीक. अब यहाँ पे दुनिया का मैक्सिमम आदमी जैसे हमारे गुरुजी थे,
जी.
उन्होंने कभी पूछा था कि एक आईएएस और एक लेबर में क्या है. तो लोग जो कॉमन सेंस में अरे आईएएस ऐसा है, आईएएस ऐसा है, लेबर ऐसा है, उसने कहा दोनों में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है जी. दोनों शादी करता है, दोनों बच्चे पैदा करता है, दोनों चावल खाता है, दोनों रोटी खाता है, एक टेबल पे खाता है, एक नीचे बैठ के खाता है, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करता है ना. गहराई से सोचो ना, गहराई से सोचो. जो राजा है तो क्या सोना तो नहीं खाता है ना. जो रंग है वो क्या खाता है, वही बहुत खाता है. अब रही बात जहाँ तक ज़िंदगी जीने की बात है, एक मिनट थोड़ा सा है ना. हाँ हाँ. तो this is new experience. I never expected it to be so. That at a banquet hall like White Rose, we'll be coming across to a gentleman, is not so? And just a simple question. What about your vision of India after 10 years? 10 साल बाद हिंदुस्तान को कैसा देखना चाहते हो?
First of all, I think
हिंदी भी बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, हिंदी भी बोली.
सिविक सेंस में मेरे को लगता है कि धीरे धीरे जो नई जनरेशन है दे हैव लॉट ऑफ सिविक सेंस एंड आई फील कि वो थोड़ा बेटर हो रहा है और होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज इट ब्रिंग्स लॉट ऑफ पीस टू पीपल इफ एवरीबडी हैव सिविक सेंस एंड व्हेन दे आर मूविंग इन द सिटी तो थोड़ा सा इट बिकम्स अ प्लेजेंट एटमॉस्फेयर फॉर not just ourselves, for other people also. I see कि जो नई generation है, they have that a lot. They think about others, making them comfortable. So that's what I think is the good part. But we have a long way to go. I see that abroad वो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. यहाँ पे we have still room to grow. Industrial, I think अभी सबसे main चीज़ तो आपकी चल रही है semiconductor. So semiconductor में there is lot of investment going on. So in the next 10 years, I feel like after China, semiconductor manufacturing में I feel India would do a lot better. तो ये दो एरिया मेरे को लगते हैं कि people are becoming more educated and industrial wise also we are becoming more capable. तो ये दो चीज़ें 10 साल में.
What do you mean by education?
Education जैसे level 1 of education was कि we need to read whatever is in the books. अभी this level is more about being more informed. Because of internet accessibility, तो people लोग काफ़ी informed है about things कि how things work. जैसे suppose करो अगर आपको let's say कोई भी काम करना है तो in 2 minutes you because of internet you get to know कि वो कैसे करते हैं. So because of accessibility people are more informed. तो वो informed decision लेते हैं. So that kind of education I feel is there. Even though अगर degree नहीं भी हो किसी के पास, they can do whatever they feel like.
Yeah, two things are there. Education and learning.
Correct.
Education is the manifestation of perfection already present in man.
Correct.
And you see a person is throughout first class, gold medalist, but he doesn't earn even a single paise. A person who never goes to school, but every day earns 2,000 rupees.
Correct.
By learning, maybe by telling, say, selling vegetable, maybe tea like that you can say. And there is a saying, particularly in Bihar, माथे पे रखा टोकरी तो कौन पूछे नौकरी, है ना? And one thing more you must be knowing is, सकल पदार्थ यह जग माही करमहीन निर्पावत माही. So many sort of things are. If you simply just strike it, just pressurize it over, you get something. Otherwise, you are not getting it.
Continuous learning is needed.
अब यहाँ फिर सवाल उठता है. We got moon. We are just planning to just go towards the sun like that. It is here. But so far as our mentality is concerned, it is meeting with that of the very thing that is not supposed to be just healthy like that. By health, we cannot say it about that you are physically fit, you are just mentally fit. What about social? Socialism and society is actually being killed like that. Don't you feel like that?
Can you repeat the question? I didn't quite
Please,
get it.
उठिए थोड़ा सा. क्योंकि तो क्वेश्चन है इसी को कहते हैं सिविक सेंस, है ना?
Exactly.
हाँ हाँ. They now,
नई जनरेशन में जो है, there is a remote.
yeah. Yes, Satish. When we come to E.R. Braithwaite, one of the writer, I think many times ago he simply told, big cities are dreadfully lonely places. Delhi being metro, Mumbai being metro, Calcutta being metro, Madras being metro, like that. In that area, one thing is there. People don't have got the time. They simply think time is money. If you just invest time, particularly in certain areas, certainly we will getting something. Otherwise, it will be very difficult like that. So maybe because of region, this type of thing is there, it's not there. But I simply want to say it about that, only money, 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 it is not everything. What about your emotion?
Correct.
Anna, what about your satisfaction? What about your family life? What for you just get yourself union with that of the lady? Certainly some sort of thing. Reproduction is to be there. After that, you will have to follow the same norm, which has been being followed particularly for the last many generations like that. Don't you think like that? It not
Let
so.
me elaborate on what you said.
Yeah, yeah,
First
yeah.
of all, what you said, I
Okay,
totally agree.
okay.
And to extend to that, what happens is in modern